Look at these beautiful antique cars here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania at the Birmingham Village. They have several of them parked here to see. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so beautiful. Look at this yellow one. Wow, this really amazes me. I would love to have that one right there. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the look of this car. Look at the inside of the yellow car. Oh man. This is amazing. Brand new. Look at those chairs. They are leather. Wow. Very cute. Check out this orange one. Oh wow. Do you picture yourself driving one of these? Comment down below if you love these cars. Look at that one. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at the inside of this car. Just look at the inside. Wow. That is gorgeous. And check out this blue one. Very cute. Look at the look of that car. Amazing. Look at this one. Look at the front of the car. Wow, the shape is awesome. Very amazing. So cute. I would definitely love to have one of these. Wow. Well, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And remember, this is here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania at the Birmingham Village. Thank you for watching.